All right, this is the next one. We couldn't film it because again, we didn't have the time, but it's cut centipede 3 inches. What's going on, guys? So sorry about that. That's Q's telephone. So we finished this one and this one, then Q is just finishing up in the back. I did both fronts and he does the back. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about is so we lost a few accounts in the downtown area, and this is where you have to think about diversifying your accounts. And again, I understand, I completely understand, you know, we all have different businesses, we all do different things, but I personally diversify my accounts just like I'm diversifying my financial portfolio. You know, it's the same concept, guys. My advice would be to not to just take on one specific type of customer, because the economy changes, people, you know, things change, and this is where we're at now. It is a big blow, but one that we will not recover from, one that will not kill the business. It's just, you know, the profit margin will be minimized, and yes, you can easily say, well, you know, if this is not working, just go out there and get you some other accounts. You know, with the way things are right now, is a little bit more difficult than in regular times. Okay, everybody's home. A lot of people are basically doing their own thing, doing their own lawns. We only lost, I want to say 2. Well, I'm not really sure if we lost them. We never heard from them. We passed by and you know, things are still growing. It's pretty unkept, so they're not doing it themselves. But you know, it is what it is. Only 2 residentials that we haven't heard back from, and we do have the slot for them if you know, if they decide to call us. Maybe they're just waiting on things or whatever the case might be. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is that don't stick to one set of accounts, and again, because situations like this, you know what I mean. When you lose a big account, and if you're not running a tight business, a efficient business, then guess what? It really messes things up for you. Okay, so just, you know, from this point on, think about diversifying your accounts. Get you some commercial, get you some residential. You know, we have, you know, commercial, residential. We have military accounts. We have a whole different slew of accounts, guys. So things are going to be great. But it is a blow to us, but it is an understandable blow. And again, there are hotels downtown, and because of what's going on, you know, things are pretty bad in the service industry, you know. Hotels, restaurants, those kind of things, you know. All you guys that have all those, you know, Taco Bells and McDonald's and all these different accounts, you know, I hope things work out for you. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit of mowing. So it's getting warm here. It's getting pretty warm, and we are working like if nothing happened, just those accounts. And I just wanted to kind of give you this advice, you know, diversify your accounts, because, you know, in case something happened, then you have other things to fall back on. Okay, all right, enjoy the mow.